Hello, 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 guys. We are here cooking chocolate chip cookies, and our stand broke, so we are making do, right, girls? So if you fall over, we apologize, but we had technical difficulties. That is the second stand I have broke in a span of a month. Span of a month. But we're gonna work through it. We're gonna make do. We're gonna make do. Okay, so now we are making chocolate chip cookies. All we did was we put the flour in the bowl here. That's all we've done. That's all we have done before this video other than measure everything out. Okay? Right, girls?
Yeah!
Yeah! They can see you, okay? So we're going to get the girls to add some stuff to here. And as they're adding, I will explain what it is as per usual. So this is coconut flour in here. All the measurements and everything will be in the post later on tonight of the cookies, of course. Okay, but 3/8 coconut flour? Yeah. 3/8 coconut flour is in here. Normally it's a cup and a half of almond flour, but during this pandemic, we don't have almond flour because it's $20 more on Amazon, and it actually would be to go to the store, but it's a 4-hour wait to get into the store. So we don't have almond flour at the moment. We have coconut flour. All right? So we're making the cookies from that. So you are going to put the first thing in. We're going to put some Swerve in. So this is what we use for sugar replacement. And you didn't keep the package out, did you? Well, get the package of it. And I'll show you what it looks like. You can find it at like Loblaws, Superstore, those places. You can get it on Amazon. You can find it any health food store. This is what we use for baking. Yeah, baking our cookies. All right, so you can put that bowl in. So it's half a cup of Swerve, and Evelyn's just pouring it in here. Aren't you, honey? Good job. Good job. And then Adeline is going to put half a teaspoon of baking powder in it. You want to just dump. Boom. Good job. Bang on the side. Good job. Okay, now Mommy is going to do the butter and the egg, okay? And then we're going to mix it all together. Well, first, do you want to put a little bit of the salt in?
Yeah.
Good job, because you can't have anything keto without the pink Himalayan salt in it. Right, girls? This is our electrolyte. This is how we keep our electrolytes up. So we're going to add the butter. This is half a stick, half a cup. Half a cup of melted butter. Half a cup of melted butter. Here we go. And then we'll put an egg in and we'll get it all mixed up, right? Right, girls?
Whoa!
Whoa! There's the egg. Wow!
What's
I gotta mix it all together first, and then we can add the chocolate chips. Okay, honey? Your sister's gonna add the chocolate chips because you added the salt. Okay? Ooh, and then we're gonna get it all onto the tray, right? So we're just mixing. Mix. So this is a great alternative of chocolate chip cookies that is low carb, keto friendly, right, girls? And these are like your favorite, right? And from this mixture here, you can add so many things. So you can add walnuts, like sugar-free caramel. I'm trying to think of what other cookies people make. We've made cinnamon cookies from here. We've made pumpkin spice cookies from this recipe here. What other cookies have we made? If you add a little bit of cocoa powder, they're double chocolate chip cookies. What else have we made? You can also make banana chocolate chip cookies from this. All you have to use is banana extract in here. Trying to think of anything else we have made. But this is basically the starter dough for any kind of cookie type thing that you want to make. You can make a whole bunch of different variations of it. So this is like one of our favorite go-tos. Okay, Adeline, your turn to put chocolate chips in. So these are Lily's dark chocolate chips. You can get them at any health food store. They are sugar-free, unsweetened, and they're dark chocolate. So there's no milk ingredients or anything in that. And you get them at, yes, health stores, Amazon. You can get them on Amazon. You get them in chocolate chip form.
I made new one.
Oh yeah, I guess I didn't use that spoon now, did I?
No.
But you can get them in chocolate chip form or bar form, however you need to make your chocolatey desserts. Right, girls? Okay. Okay. So this is what the mixture looks like now, okay? That's what it looks like. Boop, 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 right? And we're going to put it on the tray to cook, okay? So we have the oven preheated at what? 350? 350. And these cookies are going to be in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Basically, depending on the size that you make them, you just want to make them nice and golden on the top, right? We're going to show you the size that we make because we do small cookies, so we get the nice treat of a cookie, but we don't overindulge, right, girls? Okay, so we're going to have the cookie dough right there. Don't eat the cookie dough. We're going to make cookies first, okay? And,
I want to try too.
yeah, you can put on the tray. Mommy's just going to show them the size of it, and then you and me and your sister are going to put them all on the tray together. Okay, so we make them this size. Okay, I'm going to roll it up in a little bit of a ball here, and then you all can see how big it is. So it's like this on use my thumb, okay? That size, okay, of a ball. It's nice and small. You put it on the tray. Now with the keto cookies, I know with normal cookies you can just leave it like that. With keto cookies, because they don't exactly rise, you smush it down so they get some even cooking and cooked all the way through. Because with keto cookies, it just they seem not to rise. Okay, so it's going to be flat on the tray just like that. Look how small it is. Okay, it's not going to really expand much after that. That's basically the size of the cookie you're going to have. Basically, it's just going to brown. Okay, now we're going to fill this tray. We're going to put a whole bunch of cookies in the oven, and then of course we'll show you what it looks like at the end of it later on tonight, and we'll post the entire recipe as well too. So this is an awesome kid-friendly recipe that kids really like to make in the kitchen, so that's why I thought this recipe would be perfect for this week, right, girls? Plus, these girls are dying for cookies. They're like dying, aren't you? Yeah, so yeah, you've been excited since yesterday when I told you we were going to make them today, haven't you? Yeah, you're like, cookies, cookies, cookies.
Peanut butter.
They really love peanut butter cookies too, which that if you actually go onto the free 30-day keto meal plan that I posted earlier today, if you click on that site and go under desserts, you can actually find their peanut butter cookie recipe that they really, really love. It's 3 ingredients. That's ketogenic friendly. Yeah. So we're gonna say goodbye. Right? We're gonna say goodbye and we'll finish putting these on the tray and look at her. I'm just gonna say goodbye now. And we'll take pictures so you guys can see. And hopefully you guys are having some fun in the kitchen with your kids as well. Doing this, right? Yeah. Okay, say bye.
Bye.